Hello everyone, welcome to In-Depth Tutorial. This is the initial tutorial in a Spring Boot series. Before starting, we need to know what is Spring and IOC. Basically, Spring is a general purpose framework which doesn't confine itself to any specific domain. That means it can be used in a console application, web application, enterprise application, or even in a web service. And it is based on two fundamental concepts. First one is inversion of control, that is IOC, and second one is aspect oriented programming, that is AOP. IOC deals with three things: object creation, dependency satisfaction, and the third one is lifecycle management. In simple terms, the concept of IOC states that application programmers should only be concerned with the use of objects. The creation and management should be delegated to a runtime environment which is called IOC container. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll be looking more at IOC in depth. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.